But who akwa you know free so na nim fia so fia mo you know you free so na nim anya akono kan you nim free so
you know Danny
you free so amane
I say one you free so now
Danny you know
Danny
I ran the space aso bon se kan
so don ko aba so be free see ada
fonka ontimi nyina na
you know
Danny.
Welcome to the Political Rounds with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Let me say this. I don't like that guy. Not because Wakojime Gerbia.
Debbie.
I believe MPP must be serious.
Precisely.
Almost politics is a game of numbers.
Exactly.
So be here nipa. But any nipa bia na eji omo political party ho. Me hunu akwa you know free so na nim fia so fia mo. You know you free so na nim anya akono. Kan you nim free so.
You know Danny
you free so amane.
I say one
you free so now
Danny you know
Danny
I ran the space aso bon se kan.
so don ko aba so be free see ada
Fonka.
Ontimi nyina na.
you know
Danny
you know you free Danny, I'm not interested. Good, thank you. I'm making myself. And you feel so fear more. Wait. Bobby, I brand you way. I don't know what is wrong with him. Your co-election is a way. You lose such a huge loss.
Precisely.
And MPP is trying to say, obey governor, obey mobilize, obey rejuvenate, obey re-energize it in the base.
Exactly.
Is this the time for this nonsense conversation?
Never.
Is this the time for blame game?
Never.
And confirm so because any assume senior to jago ma ye lusu. We because so any alanchere matine. But is this the time for blame game? Hey, Dek. Time when you can say munu ya branche ko kai. Why na nim fia so fia mo MPP no ba mu da be.
Fire.
O su mempa no so be ye MPP da be na on na be kire said the NC reorganize your party.
Pound for pound.
Ah ye nia bra ye reorganize party. And then me see you na nim free so.
You know
free so.
the man's a boy
You free Danny, I'm serious. Take him out. Take him out. Asabre ye nia bre. Se party ne besimi aka bom. And now Dr. Muhammad Baumia and the Canada Japan. And you can say a bre champion a Kufa one ko share wo bre champion. Trying to find a better way of even someone by the next campaign. Communication must be key. How do we make sure someone by campaign we na end disintegrity ye. Ye nyan wie. Ye nyan kohwe makoko committee no kura no report mai. Ye mfa reforms mai. Na wo ye na nim fia so fia mo. Political opportunist. Oba ye ofri London ba ye. NDC ni mapa. Chocho mucho. JJ Rollins supporter. NDC ni mapa.
Fire.
And then mo anu se na nakona do ten ho dia. No je se na nakona de betumi abo President Mills. And one na nakona do call for me fonka. Sata mo ne ayi sangrofo yi. I want him fiancé yi. Oba MPP ni mu da ben ya nti wo me yaso kwa de dia. Enne ba bia ye duru ya. We are supposed to work. Unite the party. The party base, whilst we are trying to rejuvenate them, you are there disintegrating them for your own interest. Are you mad? Osman Poya Norma. Abantu Norma. Or free fonka. I don't know na do kwati NDP. And you two are very ye. Or grantee interview if you have so. I catch if you have say. Or no our year a whole political strategist. One of the youngest political strategists. Now the Kountry. Now the youngest political strategies here and go for an do Admiral Rollins as president. And you are not nachi. And you are not man here. It wouldn't political strategy here. And Kadi na kone do chine sa Kadi be president. Oh yeah, no say dwenanum. And I me worry and me wodom na Ashanti region. I have over 2 million followers. Say sabe be na man sa following no. Meanwhile, kwa Ashanti achim so ko stand MP. 2000 kwa wenya. It was a base in Ashanti region and then akọ MP wenya. When you fia we was so a national organ. Say one for someone so am party na chira be nwate. E dey be no. Party akọ election awi amanfo no kuma ye omo ya. Ye try say betimi rejuvenate party no ani ade. Why when you fia we interesting ti say wakodu Kenya Japan. What say Dr. Muhammad Baumia nya. Enya ona na ne gina platform so sisi fia ni bi. Nyale na nesa. Sache mo hu senye. One for someone so am nwate. E dey be no. say one was a Canadian Japan, it all of a sudden we could Gabi or Chile da kona ma opportunity. And ma koye Ghana gas a ESPR. Naka when people come and mudabe. Uncle for na bre when people nim. Ya mo position ya mao. Yes, we in your quarter most deputy communications officer of the party. What ben people nim da be on your position. Gabi ya wanu su busuefo. Ebebo ntri so. Wanu ana ye. E ma sa branchi. Are you normal? What is that? Edebe no. Baby, I do some coming here. Kovi, some coming here. One year, Nico, ya want your papa and your papa in here. I never know. Call fire. Kennedy Japan crab baby patcho. Say, oh, said was sick as any bianco. Dr. Mama Baumiani posture is different. Hey, branch up on Boni posture. That is the kind of posture we want. Now, when you say, what pay, say, and Nano can Japan call a present, a tomorrow. I will do it any idea. I said, what they are not going to do. Nisumayano. I you do. We'll shake in a Japan, good to see your best than any second in Japan, and and you wouldn't to me, and I did it about Yachi. When you fear, once I want me to party be wanted. Yanibra better one. Wo ba party in the bay. Party was in a Bankuma now, Jennifer. Okonya Ghana gas. And I want to see Scama party, Nasa for Kakrabi. And I am your support. Then some Funa would open MPP, or MPP in the bay. And I may be also been part of MPP. Oh, you also been part of MPP in the bay. Or by MPP in the bay. Also been passed over the bay. What MPP in the bay. Around here. And I know about 2 years. I champion, I will watch a premier years. I was Santiago. Never by force as or Chami. Now, Titira Nimpon Chamia. Now, one champion to debate. And Nimkusu by the Sasha, and I'm the by force. Memfrel. Ni papa be crutchame. Now, I want Chamina yet. Now, woman near the Nimu. How frack on your teacher party? Well, Pekana Japan in favor. Okay, so it's yes or got to more about me. Meanwhile, can Japan cry is trying to be measured in the way he communicates. I'm first man, so I've been watching. I never know. Papa, I say, Yania Brew, but you know, Yania Brew, a young man for the moon call. Nice, we'll ban Yata Kennedy. I said the word. And Mago Kennedy. When you free party, near Yanchi party. What be Dibia Kufia Koda? Anya Fioba, ye casa, Cassia, when you be at a Fia Cassia West Bunkra, and one no. Sorry for party me and Yadia. Or the Anoyans on the bar. No, I know church media for Nicacana, media for the year. I'm sorry if you party, Mammy, and party go and can't free. When you don't me and Capati in the moon, but Miana by you know, come by your campaign, they'll be very measured. Then you know, yeah, dear, you're free now. You're just the BC cancer. I don't know, I'm so mamma couple questions.